to make money as an artist. How to sell your art. There are two ways. Do you want to draw anything you like? Or do you want to draw whatever it is that people want or ask you to draw? Let me tell you the first one, the one that I like. You have freedom to your creativity. You can draw whatever you like, anything. So first, what you need is to build your audience, your loyal friends, people who loves you and love your art, people who supports you with their like, comments, and share on every social media platform that you post, and people who buy your art, buy your merchandise, buy your creation. Then whatever it is that you make, your loyal friends will be there to support you. So there are a lot of ways to monetize this after you build the audience. If you like people to tell you what to draw, if you like to work on a project, you can put yourself out there, build your portfolio, show what you can do, what you can make, what do you like to work on, and then you can look for a freelance project that pay well. And then you can have deadlines, you might need to revision again, but I heard they pay well, really well. Or you can also do print on demand. You can chase the trend so that your art style is always fluid, moving towards whatever people like, what is trending. You might make money a little bit faster that way. I'm not sure. Okay, that's all. I hope this video can help you. Thank you very much for watching, and bye!